Providence kicks off its 9th season of Heart to Start tomorrow night. The free lifestyle fitness training program has gotten thousands of folks running and walking over the past 8 years. It was started by a local cardiologist who wanted to prevent heart disease, not just treat it. As Fox Soul's Marilyn Deutsch tells us, this year, Heart to Start goes virtual.
All I know is I think we're going to need a bigger track.
In 2020, it looks almost strange to see an unmasked crowd, but this video given to us by Providence was taken before the COVID-19 pandemic. With the virus still raging, there was no way Heart to Start was going to be in person this year. So like so much else, the program will pivot.
Introducing a training app so that people will be able to log their activity and also interact with one another, so keep it social.
Over the years, Heart to Start creator, Providence cardiologist James Beckerman has gotten thousands of folks on track. One of them, David Rodriguez. He was determined to begin a new exercise program once his twins turned 4.
I think it was kind of that transition of getting more active and kind of finding some time where I can do something for myself.
David found a social network he needed.
Where you have this really great community who's supporting you and you're doing something that's really ultimately great for you.
David says despite the pandemic changes, he doesn't think he will lose that sense of community.
There probably won't be as much, physical community, but I think, the fact that people will look for certain people whom they have that connection with, and I think that will be able to translate over Zoom or whatever medium they use.
Something else new this year, a podcast called
The Love Dove.
Yes, Love Dove, the sounds our hearts make. A podcast to give us heart and hope. And there's an advantage to going online. People far from the Northwest can now participate. From Colorado to Pennsylvania, they're signing up. Marilyn Deutsch, Good Day, Oregon.
Heart to Start has its first virtual meeting tomorrow night at 6, and you can still sign up. You do not have to be a Providence patient to take part, and it is free. The information is on our website, kptv.com.